What's up, guys? Happy Monday. It is a beautiful day here in colorful Colorado. Everything's turning green, the birds are chirping, and I'm gonna clean some windows today. And after all, what else would I be doing on a beautiful day like this? Let me just show you. Just got my belt set up, so put around. I don't know if you can see it here. I'll back you up a little bit so you can see. So what do I got? My strip washer. Squeegee, 18-inch. And then I got my brand new steel wool, never reuse. We always throw them away at the end of the day. Sometimes I use 2 a day, depending on how busy we are. And then I just changed my scraper blade. Again, remember this thing is so freaking sharp, it'll cut you right open. So always keep covered. When you go to dispose of them, never throw them in the trash. Always put them back in the box that they came in. This is the new side right here. You see that? And then old side is in the back. All right. So that's all ready to go. I just bought some new clips for my towels. I got my blue towels, and then I got my polyester towels, my silk towels, and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go clean the inside first. It's a little bit, it's beautiful. It's a little nippy, so I'm gonna start on the inside. I don't know if you can see that up there. The snow's melting like really fast, but there's some snow up there. Oh, poor me, right? No, it's gonna heat up to like 60 degrees. So by the end of this hour, I'm probably gonna be shirtless, but let's go. All right, this property here, beautiful property. It's one of my first customers actually, from like 4 years ago, but I have not really upped the price a whole lot. I've done it a little bit. At this point, I probably would charge, if it was a new customer, probably closer to 800. But she got the early bird discount, and so she got a discount. I gave her $25 off. I know that's not much, but hey, a discount, it's a discount. Literally 5 minutes have passed, and I already took my sweatshirt off. It's hot. It's gonna be hot today. It's almost 60 degrees by the end of the day. Some people from down south, y'all probably saying that's freezing, but not up here in Colorado. That's really warm. So we're gonna get ready to rock and roll. Oh, real quick, there's my truck. As you can see, I just have a magnet on there right now. I am getting ready to get it wrapped fairly soon, hopefully. I don't know why I've been waiting so long to do it. My wife and I keep saying, let's just wait, because what if we ever want to sell it? And I'm like, why would we want to sell the thing that's making us money? So I don't know how many. I just got this put on actually, like just a few weeks ago, and I've gotten so many requests just from this magnet. The old one, it had the logo on it, just a big giant logo, and then right under it, had the phone number, but like window cleaning, it just stands out. So when I've talked about marketing and branding, I always say keep it simple and, no pun intended, but keep it clear, because when people see my truck, just that big giant window cleaning sign just pops out and people go, whoa, okay, I want to get my windows cleaned. So anyway, just a quick pro tip. Got my water fed pole right now, because I'm getting ready to pole this house. So right now, we are filtering out all the bad water. Usually I let it run for 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Basically right now it's filtering out all of the minerals, all the solids. And this right here is a TDS meter, total dissolved solids. So all the minerals and bad stuff that create hard water stains, this is what this little machine here does. Triple filters the water. This thing is awesome. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. And one thing I want to show you right here is water pressure. So I like it when it gets to about 60. It's my favorite spot right there, about 60. Still going. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, so this house here has got really good water pressure, and it's gonna make it really nice when I go to use the brush. All right, so now that the water is flowing, I'm gonna take my TDS meter, fill this up with water. There we go. turn it on. And the closer it is to 0, the better. 0.001, which is really good. When it gets to about, I don't know, probably when it gets to about 1, it's kind of starting to not do its job, and then I have to change the filter. But yeah, the closer you can get it to exactly 0, the better. That means just more purified. Won't leave any streaks, won't leave any spots. And so now we're ready to scrub and clean. Let's go. So this is not the most efficient way to clean screens, but I've had 2 screen cleaners and both of them broke. And so I'm having to do it by hand. I'm gonna get the upgrade version, but for now, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I guess it works all right. It's annoying. And it kind of slows the process down. But if you can get a screen cleaner, they're really awesome. They're fun, they're efficient, they make the job, I'd say, a lot more fun and fast. And yeah, they're a money-making machine. But until then, this is what I'm gonna be doing for the next week or so, however long, until I decide to go buy another screen cleaner. But I'm gonna buy the upgraded version, so it doesn't break on me. And yeah, let's do this.